Let's eat. Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today on the menu, we're going to be making taco style lasagna. So if you're hungry, then stick around. All right, first things first, we're going to go ahead and brown our ground turkey. Feel free to use ground beef if that's what you like and that's your preference, but I'm using ground turkey. I also already cut up a green pepper and a half of a small onion on the side to add to the ground turkey. I added about 1/8 cup of taco seasoning. Feel free to add a little less if you would like, depending on your taste and how much you want it to taste like a taco. I'm going to go ahead and blend this all up together and then add in my green peppers and add in my onions. All right, we're going to go ahead and add in 8 to 10 ounces of diced tomatoes. I did get the tomatoes that had the chiles in it, but feel free to get the plain if you would like. We're going to add in about 1 cup of taco sauce. Be sure to leave a little bit of taco sauce to the side so that you can put it at the bottom of your pan before you get started layering. All right, now we're going to start layering our lasagna as a normal lasagna, but we're going to put down, don't forget your taco sauce at the bottom. I did forget and I had to go back and start over off camera. But put your taco sauce at the bottom, just a thin layer, and go ahead and put your shells on, your tortilla shells, and then you're going to put your meat, and you're going to add a layer of cheese, and you're going to repeat the step until your pan is full. All right, we're going to go ahead and put our dish in the oven on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes until our cheese is nice and melted. I did use the broiler for about 1 minute. Feel free to do so for that nice crispy top. We're going to go ahead and plate up a slice of this yummy taco lasagna and just enjoy. Y'all. This smells so delicious and it tastes delicious. Please make this. Tell me if you tweaked it or if you made it exactly how I did, and tell me if you liked it or if you loved it. And guess what? Enjoy. I will catch you in my next yummy, delicious video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share my videos, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.